New flight director on console is Rick Henfling. And we are still standing by for Butch and Sunny to float from Starliner into the space station.
Lots of cheering here in the room. Big hugs. Sunny William coming through in her blue flight suit. Oh.
And followed shortly behind by Commander of Starliner, Butch WIlmore, now back on the space station, the third visit for both astronauts and the first crewed flight test of the Starliner spacecraft.
Everyone looking very happy, like they had a great ride.
And the ingress or the entrance of Butch and Sunny coming at 2:45 p.m. Central Time. Again, their arrival to the space station today at 12:34 p.m. Central Time, bringing the space station total crew right now up to 9 people.
Arriving for the first time ever in Boeing Starliner spacecraft. I can imagine they're very happy to see people without masks. You know, they've been in quarantine since a couple of weeks before the first launch attempt in May, finally launching, earlier this week on June 5th, docking on June 6th. And so big smiles there. I'm sure seeing those not behind masks is probably something they're really excited about.
And again, that launch coming yesterday morning at 9:52 a.m. Central Time from Space Launch Complex 41 in Florida, atop a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket. And the crew is going to give us a little bit of a welcome ceremony.
Available crew in PAO events.
Go ahead, Houston.
Hey, we'd figure Butch and Sunny want to take a quick break here, so you guys let us know when you're ready for the event, and whenever you have a chance, we'd like to do a quick voice check.
Okay, we'll get that set up.
Thanks.